Hey guys, this is my Valentine's inspired look. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Essence Eye Primer and put that all over the lid. Now for this look today, I will be using the BH Cosmetics Shan XO Remix palette. I'm going to start off not with that brown color yet. I'm going to use the light color and set my eyelids first and then go in with that brown shade. And now with that medium brown shade, I'm going to go ahead and start it off as my transitional shade in my crease. Now with that actual brown shade I was supposed to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and put that right below that crease color I put in. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take that pink shade and put that all over the crease. Not too high where you can't see the brown shade, but right in between those two colors. Then I'm going to go in with this purple color and start creating a halo effect, putting it in my outer and inner corner and also bringing it lightly into the crease. Now I'm going to go into the NYX Cosmetics I Love Mochi or Mochi palette. I don't know. I'm going to take that very light pinkish color and put it right in the middle of my halo look. You can see the way this product is made out, it's kind of like putty, which I absolutely love. I think putty makeup is one of the best makeup out there. Now I go back in with that purple shade and blend all that in together to make it look more put together. For primer today, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Pore Professional and put that mostly in my T-zone area where I am the most oily. For foundation today, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to go ahead and dot it all over my face, like I always do, and blend that all out together. For concealing today, I'm going to go and use the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C5. To set my entire face, I'm going to go in with my Studio Makeup setting powder and put that all over the face. For contouring, I'm going to go into my Pixie Beauty Mary N contour palette. I'm going to take that middle shade, which has a very great undertone to contour. For brows, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brow pomade. This brow pomade is amazing. It is just like the ABH brow pomade. I consider it a dupe. It does just as great. To complete my eye look, I'm going to go into that I Love Mochi palette and take that purple shade and put it on the bottom part of my lid. Now I'm going back into that palette and taking that much darker pink color and putting it in my inner corners to highlight. Of course, for this look, I had to do lashes. I'm going to go ahead and take those lashes at the bottom and put them on off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my eyebrows with that light champagne from the Mochi palette you didn't get a glimpse of. For highlight, I'm going to use the new Master Chrome highlighter in Rose Gold. For the final part, I'm going to take a NYX Lingerie lip matte color in dark brown, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Jawar lip topper in Rose Gold. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. This is, like I said, my Valentine's inspired makeup look. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day with your loved ones, significant others, and family members. And don't forget to subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day.